Namaskar. Welcome to this edition of News Bulletin. In the headlines today, Communication Engineering Department incorporates new system to ensure better connectivity in SAIL, Rourkela Steel Plant. Intensive sensitization cum sanitization drive held at the entry points of SAIL RSP to prevent spread of COVID-19. And sanitization continues in different parts of Steel Township of SAIL RSP for containing spread of COVID-19. Now the news in details. The Communication Engineering Collective of SAIL Rourkela Steel Plant has incorporated many new systems and technology systematically in the year 2019-20 that ensured better connectivity and improved performance. Some of the enterprising jobs include installation of 7 mobile surveillance systems including GPS tracking for CSA vehicle inside plant for security purpose. For ensuring safety and facilitate smooth railway movement, blinker and hotline telephone was installed at RMEOI yard near HP number 210. Similarly, for faster and smooth communication, VHF, PTT and telephone system were installed at Caster 3 area of SMS2. Another 103 VHF sets and 9 VHF base station was installed and commissioned for CISF, cocoa vents, special plate plant and calcining plant 2. For improvement of road safety inside the plant, solar-based automatic road traffic signaling system was installed at ED Wars Office Chowk and Modernization Chowk. Similarly, to ensure improved mobile CUG network inside the plant area, CED Collective installed a BSNL BTS tower at Hot Strip Mill 2. Apart from the regular job, some other major jobs carried out by the employee include in-house construction of approach road approximately 500 meter to EI Gumti of NCCY by using slag. This reduced the time to attend breakdown in signaling system in the area. For faster communication and ease of searching email IDs of executives were included in the online telephone directory system. SAIL Rourkela Steel Plant has been making all-out effort to prevent the spread of COVID-19. A joint endeavor was made by Personnel Department, Fire Service Department and different units of plant to carry out a special sensitization cum sanitization drive at Sanskar Gate and Main Gate on a rotational basis from 4th to 16th May. The sensitization drive was led and monitored by Chief General Managers, HOD of different plant units and their respective unit personnel representatives. Adhering to the norms to be followed as per the directive issued by the central and state government, the employees of the department displayed placard with regard to COVID-19 preventive measures and downloading of Arogya Setu, a mobile application developed by the Government of India to connect essential health service with the people of India. In addition to this, personal hygienic and road safety were also stressed upon. Hands were sanitized using spray hand sanitizers by the employee of Fire Service Department and employees deployed by the Personnel Department. The departments who carried out the program near Sanskar Gate were Steel Melting Shop 2, Ore Bedding and Blending Plant, Sintering Plant, Blast Furnace, Traffic and Raw Material, Cocoa Van, coal and chemical plant, oxygen plant, calcining plant, LDVP, silicon steel mill, field machinery maintenance, water management department and roll shop. Similarly, in the main gate, the department engaged in sensitization drive where hot strip mill, new plate mill shops, cold rolling mill and pipe plant, steel melting shop 1, captive power plant, special plate plant, crane maintenance department, power distribution and refractories. It may be noted that the effort aimed at increasing and improving awareness about coronavirus among the majority of the employees, contract laborers and other stakeholders who use these gates to enter the plant premises. The Public Health Unit of the Town Engineering Department of SAIL Rourkela Steel Plant has been actively engaged in cleaning and decontamination of public places to prevent the spread of the pandemic. On 16th May, the Public Health Department, with the help of Fire Service Department, carried out an extensive disinfection of the area in and around traffic chowk, comprising pavements area and bus stop. Regular cleaning and sensitization is also being done at different locations of Steel Township to ensure health safety of its residents. With this, we come to end of this news bulletin. Namaskar.